How to draw the YouTube logo, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a triangular shape for the inside of the YouTube play button that will be facing the right hand side of the page. Now once we're all done making this, nice, let's go ahead and draw an outline around the outside of this triangular shape. This will look similar to a square that has curved edges. And also I forgot to mention that if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Fantastic! Now once we're all done drawing the YouTube play button, the next step will be to write YouTube on the right hand side of the play button. Also, keep in mind that there will be only two letters that are capitalized in YouTube, which are the letter Y and the letter T. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you have to pause the video and match your colors. One of the most important parts about writing the name YouTube is that you want all of the letters to be aligned on the bottom. One of the most important parts about writing the name YouTube is that you want all of the bottoms of the letters to be aligned. If one is higher than the other, or if they're not aligned, it can kind of throw off the drawing. I thought it was kind of an interesting idea to draw the YouTube logo since we have a YouTube channel. So if you want to tell me what YouTube channel you would make if you could make one, or if you already have one, comment the name of your channel and what type of channel you have. I know I mentioned earlier to comment the name of your YouTube channel or what type of YouTube channel you'd want to make, but also comment your favorite YouTuber and what types of videos you enjoy watching. Nicely done! So far we're making great progress. All I have left to do now is to draw the B and the E. And don't forget that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of this drawing all colored in, and also be sure to give this video a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.